Pumpkin bread is a perfect treat for a fall evening, sitting outside by a fire and enjoying the beautiful nature as the leaves start to change colors. If you go to any store, they have pumpkins all over the place, and they can be used for decoration during fall, especially during Halloween, and they can also be used for food. Hi guys, my name is Susie, and today I will be showing you how to use canned pumpkin puree to make the most delicious, moist, and flavorful pumpkin bread. 3 other key ingredients for this recipe are cinnamon, nutmeg, and ground cloves. As usual, all the ingredients will be in the description box below. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees F. Next, add the ground cloves, nutmeg, cinnamon, baking powder, salt, and baking soda to the flour and mix well with a whisk. Next, I'm going to combine the pumpkin puree, softened butter, and salt and mix on low until they are well incorporated. I'm using a stand mixer for this recipe, but you can use a hand mixer or you can just mix by hand. One mistake I made here was using cold pumpkin puree from the fridge, which clumped up the butter, so I used steam to slowly heat things up. But I would highly suggest that you use ingredients that are all at room temperature. Once everything is well mixed, add the eggs and mix until well incorporated. Next, add the dry ingredients and mix gently until they all come together. I mixed with the stand mixer just until it comes together and then finish mixing by hand. Definitely don't want to overmix your dough. If you overmix your dough, it will make the bread really dense. The dough should not be very dense or dry, so even if it feels like it's very runny, fight the urge to add more flour. I'm using nuts in this recipe, but this is optional. I'm using pecans and almonds. Add the nuts to the dough, saving a little bit and gently mixing them into the dough. Go ahead and pour the dough in a well-greased loaf pan. I'm using a 9x5 pan. Use a spatula to smooth the top of the dough and add the remaining nuts on top of the dough. Next, pop the dough in the oven for about an hour, and to check if it's done, a toothpick inserted in the center should come out clean. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more baking videos from me. Let the bread cool in the pan for about 5 minutes and then transfer it to a cooling rack to let it cool completely. This bread is definitely one of my top 5 treats for fall. It's so moist and delicate, and every bite reminds me of fall. What is your favorite fall treat? Let me know in the comments below and maybe I'll make it. I hope you guys try out this recipe and check out my other baking videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys make time to enjoy this cool weather before winter gets here. Bye guys!